Hello there, and in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G23, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So at first, enroll the list of all apps, then find and select Settings. Here you will notice System, Smoothly Marker, and then click on Date and Time. Now if you wish to manage date and time by yourself, you have to switch off Automatic one. So click on Set Time Automatically, turn it off, and now you can smoothly pick a date and time manually by yourself. And that's it, that would be all. Then whenever you wish to go back to automatic setup, just click the same switcher as previously, so use network or GPS provided time. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.